Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the diesel filter that is located in the lower left of the engine compartment. With a socket wrench and a T20 Torx socket, remove the 5 screws that hold the diesel fuel filter. Once removed, using a flathead screwdriver, lever it off. Then move the flange out of the way so that it will not be an issue during the following operations, yet ensure it remains attached with the hoses. Using a large flathead screwdriver, lever off the washer of the diesel filter so you can remove it. Place a container to collect the liquid underneath.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Take the seal provided in the box of the new filter, being careful to properly oil the surface. Insert the new filter element pushing downwards to the bottom of the box. Carefully return it to its place, ensuring that you don't spill the contents of the filter box. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the seal located on the flange washer, replacing it with a new one. Put the flange back, screwing the 5 screws back in. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.